Welcome to Bigot Limited, where the future of finance meets the power of Bitcoin. Are you ready to transform your financial journey? At Bigot Limited, we provide secure and innovative Bitcoin investment solutions tailored just for you. Our investment platform makes investing in Bitcoin easy and accessible. Track your investments, stay updated with real-time data, and make informed decisions with confidence. Join thousands of satisfied clients who are achieving their financial dreams with our expert guidance and support. Unlock the future of finance with our premier Bitcoin investment services. At Bigot Limited, we offer secure, reliable, and innovative solutions to help you grow your wealth in the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to Bitcoin or a seasoned investor, our expert team is here to guide you every step of the way. Bigot Limited was founded in December 2012. Bigot Limited is a global and professional digital coin exchange service provider. Bigot Limited core team are from world-leading internet and finance companies. To get started with Bigot Limited, navigate through the official website of Bigot Limited and click on Get Started. Access the registration page and fill out the necessary information required to access the dashboard. When done, you will be logged in to your official dashboard. On the Bigot dashboard, you will have features to see trading views and live chats. Follow these simple steps to make deposit. First, navigate to fund your account on the top menu and click. Secondly, enter your desired funding amount and choose your funding method. Thirdly, click on Proceed to Payment and copy the wallet address generated to make deposit. When deposit has been made from your external wallet address to the Bigot wallet address copied, return back to your dashboard and upload a receipt of payment confirmation. Lastly, click on Submit Payment and wait for admin to confirm your deposit. Once your deposit has been confirmed by admin, you will see your deposited amount been reflected to your dashboard. Next, start investment. To start investment, navigate to Invest and select Subscribe to a plan. Choose your desired investment package and input your depth-sorted amount for investment. Click on Join Plan to subscribe to that plan. You can check your running investments by clicking on Investment on the menu and selecting My Investment. After 24 hours, you will see your profit on your dashboard. To make withdrawals, first you have to set Withdrawal OTP by navigating to Profile and clicking on Account Settings. Select Other Settings and turn off Send Confirmation OTP to my email when withdrawing my funds. Next, navigate to top menu and click on Withdraw Funds. You will be asked to provide your password as a surety measure to access your withdrawal page. Kindly input your password and log in to your withdrawal page. Select your desired withdrawal method and click on Request Withdrawal. Enter the amount to withdraw and your wallet address. Once done, click on Complete Request and wait for admin to approve your withdrawal. Log in back to your dashboard to see your transaction history and login activities. Referral is not compulsory, but who wouldn't love a few bucks to the wallet? Earn up to 10% on commission when you refer your friends using your unique link. Log into your personal dashboard to copy your link and start sharing. Our customer service representative is active on a 24 hours to attend to your needs. Join us and take the first step towards financial freedom today. Invest in Bitcoin, invest in your future.